Hi everyone, I'm Fanny's mom. Today I'm going to share a delicious baked lamb recipe with you. Today I'm using lamb ribs. I bought them from a Chinese supermarket. They've already been cut into strips, so they are ready to season and bake. But if you can't find them, lamb chops work just as well. First, clean the lamb and pat it dry with a paper towel. Now let's season the lamb. All the ingredients are listed on the screen. This is a Chinese style seasoning. It is very flavorful and helps tone down the stronger lamb flavor, especially if you don't like it. Coat the lamb evenly. Marinate for at least 2 hours. For the best flavor, marinate for 4 to 8 hours. Keep it in the refrigerator while it is marinating. I marinated the lamb for about 7 hours. Now preheat the oven to the 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We need high temperature for this recipe. Now sprinkle some cornstarch over the lamb. This helps lock in the flavor and give the lamb a better crust. Then spread a little oil on top. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, and then add some leek or onion to the bottom. Place the lamb on top. This lets the air circulate under the lamb, so it is cooked more evenly. Once the oven is preheated, place the baking tray in the oven. Bake for 15 minutes. Then flip the lamb over and bake for another 10 minutes. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of the lamb. Just keep an eye on it. For the lamb ribs like mine, when the meat starts to pour away from the bone, it's usually done. Finally, broil it for about 1 minute to get nice char on top. At this point, you can sprinkle some cumin powder and cumin seeds. Then broil for 1 more minute. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Look at that. It smells amazing and the color is beautiful. When we cut it open, it is still nice and juicy. The lamb is so flavorful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more delicious recipes with you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.